Like nightfall, a soft embrace, the world adorned in winter's lace. Cold winds hum, a gentle tune under the glow of a silver moon. With you beside me, hand in hand, every frost feels warm, so grand. The beauty shines in every hue. This winter's tale begins with you. Oh, the beautiful winter with love, a gift from the heavens above. In every snow-kissed memory, your heart's the warmth that sets me free. Frosted windows, candlelight, a fire burns to warm the night. We build a world of snow and dreams, love's in the air, or so it seems. In every step through fields of white, you light my way, my guiding light. Together here the season glows, a love that only winter knows. Oh, the beautiful winter with love, a gift from the heavens above. In every snow-kissed memory, your heart's the warmth that sets me free. In every step through fields of white, you light my way, my guiding light. Together here the season glows, a love that only winter knows. Oh, ice and trails through crystal skies, your laughter echoes in paradise. Wherever here the season glows, a love that only winter knows. Oh, the beautiful winter with love, a moment pure, a winter love. Through every storm, through every breeze, you are my calm, my heart's release. Snow may melt, the seasons change, but our love stays, it's not as strange. In every winter near or far, the beautiful winter is where you